Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very simple DIY recipe using one natural ingredient. Alright, so this is ground clove, or you can call it powdered clove. Aside ground clove, we also have the whole cloves, and this is the one you're looking at. I know a lot of you have already tried Clove for your hair growth and you have seen the results you were looking for. Others have used Clove, but Clove didn't work for them. If Clove hasn't worked for you, it means you might not be using it the right way. If you want Clove to work for you, you need to follow this recipe. Cloves can help you grow back your hair. If your hair is not growing the way you want it, if you're experiencing hair breakage, hair fall, or any kind of hair damage, you need to give clove a try. In this DIY recipe, we are going to use the whole clove, and I'm going to show you why. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIY for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So what I did was I put some few clove in a saucepan, then I topped it up with water. There is no specific measurement to this. The only thing you need to know is clove is really potent, so you do not need a lot of it. A few clove can make you enough clove water for your hair growth. So after that, I put it on the stove and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Do not overboil it. When it was done boiling, I transfer it into a mason jar. So as you can see in the video, I'm transferring the clove water plus the clove into this mason jar. I'm going to let it sit on the counter overnight. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next with this DIY recipe. Alright, so leaving it overnight will even help it infuse more with the water. Again, clove is very potent, so when you're making this DIY recipe, do not use a lot of them. So after straining my clove water, I'm going to split it into two. I'm going to leave half of it in a mason jar and I'll leave one in the bowl like so. I am going to show you how to make clove even more potent to help you grow back your hair and repair your damaged hair. But if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So at this point, I'm adding some castor oil. Castor oil can help condition your hair. A lot of mistake people do with clove is they do not add anything that can help it stay in your hair longer. Clove water is just water based. And if you just leave it in your hair like that, it can dry out your hair. So you need something to add to it to help you condition your hair. If you add castor oil, as you can read on the bottle, castor oil can help condition your hair. It is a thicker oil that can stay in your hair much longer. I added just about half a tablespoon of it. You don't even need much. It all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. Once you add it, give it a good stir. This is vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E capsules can also prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair strands. You can also add 1 capsule of the vitamin E, or if you have the one in a bottle, you can add a few drops. When you stir everything together, your clove water is all ready. You transfer it into a spray bottle. You apply this on your scalp and on your hair about 4 times in a week. Massage it in. This can help prevent hair breakages. It will stimulate new healthy hair growth. It will also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. I'm also going to show you what I'm going to do with the rest of the clove water in the mason jar. So make sure you're watching this video to the end. Alright, so if you are wondering what I put in that mason jar, that was a leave-in conditioner. Again, clove water is just water-based, and the mistake a lot of people do is to just apply it without adding anything, so it dries out their hair. If you want clove to do a better job on your hair, make sure you are adding some leave-in conditioner to it. After you add it, shake the bottle or give it a stir. And another thing you also want to add is any plant-based oil of your choice. I added olive oil, but you can feel free to add grapeseed oil, avocado oil, or any oil of your choice. I added about a tablespoon of my olive oil. Then after that, I mixed everything together. So the trick is you add enough leave-in condition to make the water quite thicker. Once you have it like so, you can apply this on your hair strands, massage it in, and make sure to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Let me know if this is something you're going to try. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.